help me out with this demonstration. Let me go ahead and introduce you to smart architecture technology and the mobile platforms that will present new concepts about mobility. The core of Hyundai Motor Group's new Mobility of Things ecosystem, otherwise known as MOT, is to give infinite autonomy to mobility by applying robotics technology to common objects. So P&D, which is the plug and drive module, is an integrated solution that combines wheels, motors, steering wheel, suspension, brake system, and environment sensors into a single structure. This module applies a steering actuator that can turn limitlessly, allowing for 360-degree rotations and unrestricted navigation and movement. By installing this module in various objects that can navigate, it grants versatility to movements of the object. The sub-platform of personal mobility on the right here consists of a combination of 4 P&D modules. Rotational opening and closing applied to personal mobility allows an efficient use of the space. Now let's go ahead and move to the center of the stage and watch the unrestricted movements enabled by personal mobility. So personal mobility may rotate on a fixed spot through 4 P&D modules that comprise of its lower platform. Moreover, the technical features of the module allow for even freer movements. Thank you for joining us, Personal Mobility. The P&D module, which stands for plug and drive, may be scaled up flexibly in size and shape depending on the platform applied or to meet a new purpose. Let's go ahead and talk about our next module, which is the L7. The lower platform of the L7 on your left consists of 4 scaled up P&D modules. A passenger seat is combined with the lower platform in L7 type size to produce the L7. Let us go ahead and move to the center of the stage and watch the L7's unrestricted movements. Welcome to the stage. Alrighty. With 360-degree turns, the L7 may change directions freely even in restricted areas. In addition, steering in all directions allows the movement not only front and back, but also left and right. The L7 may also move freely around, even in spaces with not enough room for a turning radius. When faced with a roadblock, it can evade by moving in diagonal directions through crab walk. Furthermore, since it can be steered in all directions, it can move freely, just like that of a figure skater. If the seat is removed, it may be transformed into a logistics module for cargo transport. Thank you for your demonstration, L7. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and move on to the Mobid. Welcome to the stage, Mobid. Applied to Mobid is an integrated solution based on eccentricity mechanisms that combine driving, steering, and a brake system into a single structure. Mobid is a multilateral platform using 4 DNL modules. Mobid is able to move freely by adjusting inclination and height using eccentricity mechanisms. So we have rolling, pitching, elevation, and the combination of 4 DNL modules allows for 360-degree turns at a fixed spot and unrestricted steering in all directions, like the Personal Mobility or L7. The application of eccentricity modules mechanisms can be, let me start that one over. The application of eccentricity mechanisms-based posture control system to the Mobid allows it to take optimal posture per ground conditions and navigate in a stable posture when faced with unexpected obstacles. Even on stairways, Mobid enables its body to maintain level safely protecting the load it carries. As such, Mobit has overcome the limits of mobility that has been limited to flat surfaces. Mobit is also able to freely navigate without restrictions of movements. Connected with a variety of upper modules such as a monitor, Mobit is capable of providing differentiated services. Harnessing its mobility technologies, Hyundai Motor Group will build a MOT ecosystem that responds to any future changes, ranging from personal mobility for individuals to logistic platforms for industrial sites. Please pay close attention to all the robots that Hyundai Motor will show in the near future, and I thank you so much for joining us at this year's CES.